Amrita Vidyalayam, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Yoga practices. Super Brain Yoga. Topu Karanam. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Amirdeshwariyai Namaha. Dear children, hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. I am S. Karthikeyan, Yoga teacher, Amrita Vidyalayam. Dear children, let's start our today's session on yoga with the Yogasana mantra. It should be chanted every day before starting the yoga session. All of you sit down, sit straight, join your hands, close your eyes, adopt Namaskar Mudra. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Meaning, I offer my salutations with folded hands to Patanjali Maharishi, the eminent amongst the sages, who removed the impurity of mind through yoga, of speech by grammar, and of body by Ayurveda. Now we move on to the session. What is yoga? Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj. Yuj means joining. Yoga is that which joins. Yoga is a discipline that aims to unite body, mind, and soul. Yoga is to gain mastery over the mind. Yoga joins the individual self, Jivatma, to the universal self, Paramatma. Yoga joins the individual consciousness to the universal consciousness. Yoga gives us all-round personality development at physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual levels. Benefits of yoga: calms our mind, increases memory power and concentration, strengthens the muscles, improves flexibility, reduces tension, increases immunity power and prevents diseases, increases self-confidence and self-discipline, leads healthy and peaceful life, coordinates body, mind, and soul. Chalana Kriyas, loosening practices. These practices help to increase microcirculation. Microcirculation is the circulation of the blood in the smallest blood vessels. This can be done while standing and sitting. It has to be done daily before starting the regular yoga practices. It contains 3 practices. We will see one by one. Types 1. Head and neck movement. Stage 1. Neck up and down. Stage 2. Neck turn to sides. Stage 3. Neck tilt. Stage 4. Neck rotation. 2. Trunk twisting. 3. Knee movement. We will see one by one. Head and neck movement. Stage 1. Neck up and down. Sthiti Tadasana, mountain posture. Stand straight with the feet comfortably apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Keep your arms on the waist. While inhaling, move the head as far back as is comfortable. While exhaling, move the head forward slowly and try to touch the chest with the chin. This is one round. Repeat 2 rounds. Stage 2. Neck turn to sides. Keep the head upright. While exhaling, gently turn the head to the right so that the chin is in line with the shoulder. While inhaling, bring the head to the normal position. Similarly, while exhaling, turn the head to the left. Inhale and bring the head to the normal position. This is one round. Repeat 2 rounds. Stage 3. Neck tilt. Keep the head upright. While exhaling, bend the head slowly to the right. Bring the ear as close as possible to the shoulder without raising the shoulder. While inhaling, bring the head to the normal position. Similarly, while exhaling, bend the head to the left side. Inhale and bring the head to the normal position. This is one round. Repeat 2 rounds. Stage 4. Neck rotation. Keep the head upright. While exhaling, move the head forward slowly and try to touch the chest with the chin. While inhaling, slowly rotate the head clockwise in a circular motion. Exhale while coming down. Do full rotation. Then rotate the head in anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, go back and exhale, come down. Move the head as far as possible. Don't overstrain. This is one round. Repeat 2 rounds. Relax in Tadasana. Trunk twisting. Sthiti Tadasana. Mountain posture. Stand straight. Keep the feet about 2 to 3 feet apart. Raise both the arms up to the chest level with palms facing each other and keep them parallel. While exhaling, twist the body towards the right side so that the left palm touches the right shoulder. Inhale, come back to the normal position. While exhaling, twist the body towards the left side so that the right palm touches the left shoulder. Inhale, come back to the normal position. This is one round. Repeat 2 rounds. Relax in Tadasana. Knee movement. Sthiti Tadasana. Mountain posture. Stand straight. Keep the feet about 2 to 3 feet apart. While inhaling, lift your arms up to the shoulder level, palms facing downwards. While exhaling, bend the knees and bring down your body to the squatting position. In the final position, both the arms and thighs should be parallel to the ground. Inhale and straighten the body. Exhale and bring down the hands. This is one round. Repeat 2 rounds. Relax in Tadasana. Super Brain Yoga or Topukaranam. Super Brain Yoga is a simple squatting exercise. It is an easy practice that improves our mental health. Make it a habit, and if we do daily, we will get tremendous result. It can be practiced anywhere. It takes only few minutes per day. The same exercise what we do as Tupakaranam in front of Lord Ganesha when we go to temple. For students, it is a wonderful gift. Super Brain Yoga benefits. Activates the acupuncture points on the earlobe, which stimulates our mind, synchronizing the left and right brain, enhances the brain function, improves concentration and memory power, reduces stress, increases calmness, improves cognitive skills, increases the sharpness and creativity, enhances the decision making skills, stimulates the thinking capacity. Super Brain Yoga Procedure. Sthiti Tadasana, Mountain Posture. Stand straight, keep the feet above 2 to 3 feet apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Lift the left arm across your chest and hold the right earlobe with the thumb and index finger. Thumb finger should be in front and index finger behind. Similarly, lift the right arm across the chest and hold the left earlobe. Thumb finger should be in front and index finger behind. Left arm should be closer to the heart. Right arm should be over the left arm. Place the tongue on the upper part of the mouth, right behind the teeth. Inhale deeply through the nose and squat down slowly to a sitting position. Hold the breath and stay in this position for 2 to 3 seconds. Exhale gently through the nose as you come back to the standing position. This completes one cycle. We have to do 21 times every day to get best result. Release the right arm first and then left arm. Come back to the normal position. Relax in Tadasana. Let us conclude our today's session with Sankalpa and then closing prayer. Sankalpa. Repeat 5 times. My immune system is very powerful. My whole body is with full energy and my mind is with tremendous bliss. My immune system is very powerful. My whole body is with full energy and my mind is with tremendous bliss. My immune system is very powerful. My whole body is with full energy and my mind is with tremendous bliss. My immune system is very powerful. My whole body is with full energy and my mind is with tremendous bliss. My immune system is very powerful. My whole body is with full energy and my mind is with tremendous bliss. Benefit. Sankalpa is an intention or inner resolve. By repeatedly saying any Sankalpa often, it becomes mantra. It becomes fruitful. Our subconscious mind believes it will start working and it strengthens our immune system, which leads healthy, happy, and peaceful life. During the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown period, this Sankalpa is very much effective. Closing prayer. This should be chanted every day at the end of the yoga session. Dear children, all of you, join your hands, close your eyes, adopt Namaskar Mudra. Let us all chant together. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Meaning, may all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see things auspicious, may no one suffer. Om, peace, peace, peace. Thank you, children. Om Namah Shivaya.